There he goes, walking to the top. All the way up there. There he is. Couldn't find him. I have no idea where he found his energy for this. It's 38 degrees outside. He's crazy. Is he gonna make it? Oh, break time. There he comes down. Hope he doesn't jump. Looks like he's taking a dangerous route.
Can you guys see that lake? This place is beautiful. It's called Little Fish Lake. I didn't try fishing because they say they're little fish, but it's full of storks. I got some photos of them, and then I went down there to walk around and thought I seen like a baby bear, but it turns out it's the biggest damn beaver I've ever seen in my life. And then he charged at me and got pretty damn close to him. I got within about 8 feet of him trying to get good photos of him. So, you know, the bugs are not too bad except for the fire ants. The fire ants are everywhere. But Dorothy, we got all the windows down. We're gonna close up the door. That water right over there is not drinkable. It's got recycling, garbages, bathrooms over there. It's got pretty much everything. It doesn't really look like it's maintained very much, but it's very pretty. And I think this is like the visitor parking, but honestly guys, we just parked here to look at the sunset. Oh, and it's gone. But another great day. I went and played on some hoodoos. Tabitha got some videos of me doing that. I didn't climb on the provincially protected area. I got past the provincial protected area and climbed where you're allowed to climb. I even did read the sign, so I'm good at that. So we do have one person camping over there and another one over there, but it's about 25k north of the Hoodoos, so it's not too bad. But what a beautiful view. Would have been nicer if we could have went swimming, but you know, you can't have it all. Harley wants to come back outside, but the fire ants got her belly before I could realize there's fire ants. Can you guys see them down here? Can you see all these freaking fire ants? The whole ground is fire ants. Like, they're trying to get on my flip-flops. But that's the end of another day. I don't even know what day of this adventure is. I just know that we're on our way home. The stampede was amazing today. And you know what, guys? The stampede was amazing today, and we're just gonna basically head to bed soon and then get ready for tomorrow because we still got a lot of driving. Tomorrow, hopefully, we are gonna make it a lot closer to home. I'm thinking like hopefully Winnipeg, somewhere around there. Not 100% sure of where we're gonna actually end up. We do have a lot of ground to make up. We're not gonna be driving for crazy amounts. But we're gonna probably be heading out around here around 8:39, depending on how hot it is in the morning. It's like 33 degrees right now. That's why I'm shirtless. It's too hot. It's way too hot. And it's been a very hot day. So we're gonna drink some water, maybe put on a movie, enjoy the sunset. And we bought a fan to try to keep a little bit cooler than what we've been keeping. So take care, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop. Hopefully you're enjoying these travel videos. Oh, and this place has full cell phone service, so we can watch Netflix. Dinosaur National Park. We're just doing a small little hike around here today. I don't want to go too far because it's very hot. It's got to be 35 to 38 degrees today. But this is one of the only spots in Canada where you can actually run into rattlesnakes. So really don't want to do that. I got a map. I'll probably lose it again. Pockets are not really the best. But we're just going to go for a little hike, maybe a 20-minute hike here today. Can't go too long because I didn't put sunscreen on, and you guys can tell by my forehead how burnt I am. Let me just get up to the top of this. But this is pretty cool, guys. We went through the little museum, so there was a whole bunch of turtles here and everything. Oh, this brings you right to the campsite. And there's the campsite right over here. And I'm parked over there. Like I said, I'm just going to do a simple little hike today. Nothing too intense. But guys, this view here is really cool. Let's get up here. So if you guys have kids that are obsessed with dinosaurs, make sure you check this place out. Dinosaur Provincial Park. Look at this view. This place is really cool. Well, I'm gonna get back to this hike and then we're gonna continue on our way. Well guys, welcome back. I just found something I've never found in the wild before. No, it's not a rattlesnake. It's a damn cactus. I know that you guys will probably laugh, but I've never actually seen... Ow, you... Yep, you're gonna laugh. I've never seen a cactus in the wild before. That's pretty cool.